what's up, bro?
Is that PatrickStarrr?
You like that, baby girl?
That's hot.
Yo, what's up? Yo, yo, man, it's different. Yo, what's up?
It's new.
Yeah, it's new. We all new up here. You know what I'm saying? 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 Yo, 2019, we rebranding, man. The drama. You know, I gotta rebrand. The turban. The bullshit. The lashes. You know, we just eat, sleep, contour up on here, right? And I'm rebranding my channel. You know, that's what's up. That's what's up. Hey guys, so today, whoa, what is happening? Y'all, I know we had to rebrand because the beauty community was shaking up. I just play. I have a beard today. This is legit all my facial hair. Peter, zoom in. Guys, look at this facial hair. We are here. We are still here. Don't worry, y'all still like dick. Okay. But I have grown my beard out because I had my tonsillectomy. I got my tonsils removed 2 weeks ago. So I was recovering for 2 weeks. I lost about 10 pounds because I couldn't eat, I couldn't swallow. And this is the result of not shaving for 2 weeks. So this morning I actually had Stay Gold 31 Sophie, who was an amazing bomb-ass barber, come and shape me up this morning. And this was my edge up. Do you guys like it? Hold on. She gave me a little edge up today and I'm so excited. And she filled it a little bit in with some microfibers to give me a little bit of an edge. So here we are with this look and I'm so excited. Also, there will be a giveaway in this video. There will be a secret code word again. There'll be 3 winners and don't comment the secret word down below. Keep it secret. Just leave just your Instagram handle in the comments below and I'll be announcing the winners and DMing you on Instagram. Now today I'm going to do a full glam look because I'm a boy in the industry and I haven't had a full makeup look with a beard. So why in the history of PatrickStarrr have I never had a full face of makeup with facial hair? So here we are today for the first time ever in the history of PatrickStarrr doing a full face of makeup with facial hair as a male beauty influencer. I think it's my turn to kind of change it up and I hope you guys enjoy this. I don't know. I think I'm going to look like Mac Daddy. But we shall see. I love Mac Daddy. If you guys want to see more videos like this with the facial hair, if you like the facial hair, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so I know I have a ton of glitter on my face and I've been trying to wipe this off so bad, but it won't come off. I was playing with makeup earlier, so yes. So normally I serve y'all Mama Starr, okay? I get it, Mama Starr, love her, living legend. But today we are serving you Papa Starr, okay? Yes, Dad, love you. So today I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my brows. I swear to God, I think I'm gonna look like Mac Daddy after this. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my Kelly Baker Brow Defining Pencil in the shade Dark Brown and just fill in my brows. Got my brows done today. I look good. I look good with a full brow. Let me tell y'all, this pencil is so pigmented that you really don't need a lot. I really like this. So if you guys want something super pigmented with not a lot of pressure, Kelly Baker is the way to go. I feel like Anastasia is a little bit more hard to press, but it stays longer. And then I feel like Benefit is like right in the middle. So depending on what you like, they all stay pretty long, but I would say to me, Benefit and Kelly are comfortable because Anastasia gets a little bit dry. So you have to put more pressure. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite Studio Finish palette and go ahead and conceal under the brows. By the way, can you guys tell my voice is different? I know ever since I've been recovered from my tonsillectomy, everyone was saying, oh my God, your voice sounds much higher. Your voice sounds much higher. And I'm like, really? I think I can feel it a little bit, but not as crazy. I'm going to go ahead and carry that same concealer with this Morphe E23 brush. And I'm just going to go ahead Put that all over the eyelid. You know what's so funny? I think this makeup is gonna be easier because that I'm using less makeup, but harder because I'm trying to like not get it on my beard. I've always wondered in the past how people do that, but I'm gonna use this for my foundation today. This is actually a concealer from Too Faced, the Born This Way concealer, and this is in the color Butterscotch, and I'm gonna use this for my foundation because I really don't need to use a lot today. Go ahead and just take this and edge it up right here. Ooh, just be really careful. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a beauty blender and carefully apply this concealer as my foundation all over my face. Try not to get it on the facial hair. Sophie Stay Gold 31, she used some microfibers to kind of like emulate hair. It's kind of funny because guys have makeup too. She says that they have like little microfibers that they put like, you see that? That sharp line, that's like literally fake. And I'm just gonna take some here so the color is the same. Take some down here. I can't believe that I haven't, you guys, done my makeup with my facial hair. I don't know. I guess ever since I've been doing makeup, I've always loved like the full look. And I think it's kind of fun that today I'm able to play with what I've been naturally given, which is this facial hair. And I know you guys are probably asking in the comments too, like, dang, like, didn't you get laser hair removal? If you guys are wondering about laser hair removal too, I can tell a difference with the texture of the hair. Yeah, this is a lot of hair, but when I shave I can literally tell a difference when it comes to my face. When I shave it feels a lot smoother too. So for today I'm going to go ahead and take the Jouer Cosmetics Dulce de Leche concealer. I really like this concealer a lot. I'll go ahead and take this. Oh, this might be too dark, but I'll use it anyways. A little bit of Dulce de Leche right here. I'm going to brighten it up. The other color that I do love from them is, I believe, Biscotti. Yes, Biscotti by Jouer. A little bit brighter, yeah, right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight like I normally do. It's crazy because I don't need to highlight the chin. I think it's cool that men in makeup with facial hair are getting featured like online. I think it's really cool and brands are getting to take notice. I know concealer has been a thing. Concealer is just to conceal, but I think in this day and age, it's kind of interesting to look back and be like, damn, people highlight with concealer now. It's so much easier. This looks so weird. So different for me. You guys know I'm like all about like a full face, my drag series. This is just, like I'm fine with this, but this on the bottom is just so different. And I feel like I'm going a lot faster than I normally do because I don't have to do makeup on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and take my banana powder and set it. I still don't know what I'm gonna do for the eyes. I do want to do something more colorful this time. Go ahead and take my banana powder, my Ben Nye, and set underneath my eyes. I think it's really cool on my channel. I'm able to show different types of beauty. I knew this early on that I really wanted to showcase different types, and it's crazy how this is the more recent things that I've done, and it's way overdue. But I do want to say, if there's negativity around you or whatever, we're all guilty of supporting it by not saying something. So if you guys see someone that's going through it or that's really trying or like, you know, showing off their makeup, support them, comment on their pictures that you like their work, follow them. I'm not one of those people that is, you know, better than you or thinks that I'm better than you where I don't. And I answer a lot of my DMs and upcoming influencers if they have any questions because this is a hard space to navigate. And more so recently, I do want to say that I'm so proud of a few of my boys that I manage, Cole and Zach, because they have their first collaboration with Buxom inside Sephora. So I think that's really, really cool. And I want to give them a shout out because these are hardworking boys that I've managed and I've been able to construct an amazing deal for them. And instead of shutting them out, although they are upcoming and then they're smaller than me, I do want to say that and highlight that as an example of who I am as a person. And it's really cool because I was able to shoot their images and shoot their videos.
Guys, so I'm here photographing my boys. If you guys didn't know, I manage Cole and Zachary Vang, and we're shooting their first ever campaign I got for them with Buxom.
It's not that I'm accepting lots of clients right now because I'm so busy, but I saw something in them when I met them at the Benefit Brow Search last year as their coach, and now to be like their manager and to get them deals is really, really cool. And they're able to learn and navigate the digital world and create such a sickening collaboration. I look so different. I'm literally a glam boy. I wish my makeup was this fast. I think my brown eyes will work today because it's very boy of me. So when I first started my Instagram, there is this iconic picture to this day that I am so honored to have done. And it's right here. This is my rainbow collaboration. There was a bunch of us male influencers back in the day and we found each other and we decided to do this rainbow collab. Literally, I was so honored to have been asked to do this collab. I don't know whose idea it was, but it was Mac Daddy, The Vanity Diary, there was Eloy Guerra, there was Will C, there was No Just Henry, also other known today as Hank and Henry, and there was me, and I think there was that it? 6? Yeah, there was 6 of us that did it, and each of us were assigned a color, and I was assigned green, so today I thought I would do that green look, inspired by boys in makeup, giving it memoir back to commemorate that time in my career. So today I think we're gonna go ahead and do a green look as a real boy makeup today. Not that we're not real, but as like with my mask category mask look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette by Certified. This is the Dynasty palette. I'm gonna take this green right here called Dynasty and buff this into the crease. And when I'm using, if you guys are beginning and you guys are using bright colors, literally just pat and just like wiggle your brush. You don't want to like swipe and flick your bristle hairs like back and forth because it'll just flick off the brush and get on your face makeup. So I brought you guys a little bit closer and I really want to pack this green on. Opulence. Literally every time I say opulence, it reminds me of Mercedes from Drag Race.
Opulence! You earn everything! Yes!
And I also want to point out right here, when you guys are doing your makeup, bring your shadow low enough so you're able to connect the bottom shadow here later to there. Because sometimes it looks a little bit weird when this outside V is disconnected. It kind of like finishes the eye when the color wraps around. So next I'm going to take this color called Emerald. And this brush is the Morphe M433. I don't know if y'all remember, I bought like 10 of these. I'm going to go ahead and take this and kind of add dimension to the outer crease. Y'all, this is so sickening. Ooh, yes. So I'm going to go back into Opulence with this Morphe M578. It's a very, very fluffy pencil brush right here. Do you guys see? It's really, really big. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this and connect very gently. You see what I was talking about earlier? Is to go ahead and connect this underneath. Don't be afraid to bring your shadow low. Low. So crazy that I feel like my voice does feel like it sounds different. I was getting sick so many times. So cool. See how I brought it low enough over here? Same thing. You see, it looks like it's already connected. Just kind of blend it together. Then it looks like a smoky eye. And you want to be careful underneath because sometimes if you put too much pressure, you flick up some eyeshadow in your eyes and your eyes start to look red. The last thing you want on a green eye look is for your eyes to look red and your eyeshadow's green. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take this color here, Glisten. It's a beautiful like aqua green kind of shimmer. Can't really, it looks more blue, but right here it's more green and it's right next to these. And you can see the way that this palette is laid out, the Dynasty palette, that it's meant to be together. So I'm going to take Glisten and apply this on my lid. Wow, looks so sickening. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take my Benefit roller liner in the color black and just do a simple liner on my eyes. It's so funny, I feel like I could see more detail without my contacts. Y'all know my contacts be fussing me. Alright guys, so for lashes, I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful Birthday Bitch lash kit. This is so beautiful by none other than Lily herself. And there are 3 beautiful birthday worthy lashes. I'm going to go ahead and take the middle one. These remind me of Miami. I'm going to go ahead and take these and apply them on my eye. Alright guys, so I have this mascara, Go Big or Go Home by Kat Von D. And I'm going to apply this on my lashes. Wow. Reminds me of the They're Real mascara. So I have this funny Postmates story, okay? I meant to tell you guys earlier. So I ordered Papa John's, right? When I was recovering from my tonsillectomy and I had this beard, right? And I don't have my profile picture on there just because I'm just paranoid of people like, you know, recognizing me through the app. So I have my girlfriend as my profile picture. And then I saw a girl coming and I'm like, oh my God, I can't speak. Like, I really want this pizza. And I really, y'all probably wonder how the fuck did this bitch chew pizza on her recovery? And I asked myself the same thing, but I really wanted to at least chew it and spit it out. So then I ordered a little pizza anyways, ended up that I could chew it. But it was so funny receiving it because this girl was coming and I was like, oh my God, what a cheese subscriber. I'm sick. I look a mess. And I was like, oh my God. So I ran and I grabbed like my hat. I put it on backwards. I grabbed these glasses and then I grabbed sweatpants and then I'm up and then I opened the door. And I was like, oh my God, let me meet the Postmates delivery person like halfway. So then I went and I go and meet the delivery person halfway. And I see it's this tall black dude. And I was like, oh, so you ain't your profile picture. And I ain't my profile picture. So the guy then comes up to me. He's like, yo, man, I got all your sauces, right? And then I went to go grab the pizza. He's like, all right, man, see you later. And then he looks down at my thumb on the pizza box. And I could just tell he was like... was there and imagining me like with a hoodie, with my thing, with my glasses, and people was supposed to grab it for me. So then I was like, oh my God, all right, thanks, man. And then I grabbed it. He was like, it was like, I ran back to my place and it was so hilarious. But what are the odds that his profile wasn't his and mine wasn't mine? I'd be catfishing out here on Postmates. Oh my gosh, guys, my makeup was so fast because I didn't have to do like the bottom of my face. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of my Makeup Forever 170. And oh my God. Clean up on aisle 1 and clean up on aisle 2. Now I would normally go boop, boop, but I don't got to. Now it's time for contouring. How do we do this? I love this brush by Laura Mercier for bronzing. I'm going to go ahead and take this and my Bejan Gal by Fenty. And it comes below. Can you guys recommend me some bronzers because I'm having a hard time and I want to try new ones. This one is good. I like this, but I want to know more. More that you like, maybe drugstore. Next, I'm going to take my Give Me Life bronzer. This is my staple for my nose. Love this for my nose. Now for blush, this is one of my favorites. I'm going to take NARS Laus blush and I'm going to go ahead and dust it on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to take my highlighter from my summer collection called Hot and Heavy. Legit, this is the first time I've worn makeup in like weeks. I literally had my surgery the day after Hawaii. I'm like the knockoff Mac Daddy highlighting my face. All right, so for my highlighter, what's like a Mac Daddy vibe kind of look without using Artist Couture? This one is called Sugar Daddy Obsessed. These are so sickening. I'm gonna go ahead and take it from the lid. Yes, Glow Gang. And if y'all wondering, he in Sephora. Congratulations, Mac Daddy. OG right there. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take Hover Lip Pencil on my lips. So weird looking at my lips, lining them with facial hair. And while we are supporting men, I'm gonna go ahead and take my PatrickStarrr Is She Younger Than Me lip gloss. Pop this in the middle and just blend it in. What's so funny is that I didn't use any powder foundation today. Let me just add a little bit. My forehead's looking a little bit translucent. Now, what's a finished look without some setting spray? I'm going to go ahead and take my Fix Plus. This is in the coconut flavor. I'm going to go ahead and clean up my tissue and I'll be right back with the finished look. Hello?
Hello?
I did a look inspired by you. Look.
Wait, is this something? Say something?
Yes.
Yes. Why are you giving me like boy makeup save the house?
Putting Artist Couture today.
Yes!
Sugar Daddy, and I made sure to overline my lips just like you.
Well.
Alright everyone, this is the finished look. I just called Mac Daddy and he gave me this little stamp of approval. I like it. It's very, very, very different for me. Let me see. it still looks like me, just with facial hair. It's really, really cool and interesting. And shout out to all the boys that are killing it in makeup. If you are watching and you are a male and you have lots of facial hair, rock it. I hope I am here as an inspiration for you to start your makeup, and don't be afraid. Don't give no f***s. Give zero f***s of what anyone says to you, regardless of your gender or your preferences when it comes to beauty, because makeup is a one size fits all. This is amazing. I'm so happy that I got to do it, and because I never have any downtime to grow my facial hair. I'll be shaving it first thing tomorrow because I have a few events tomorrow. But I love it. I hope you guys also saw the secret word in the video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, if you guys love to see the facial hair more come through, comment down below. I hope you guys subscribe. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I get around despite the